Let's cook a super tasty prawn risotto. I've already added the oil and butter to the pan. Now heat the spring onion and onion. A spoonful of garlic. Yum. Now cook it till it's soft. Sprinkle in some arborio rice. Stir it. Add in 250 mils of veggie stock. I'm going to be using about 1 litre for this risotto. Alright, now let's stir it again. Put the lid on, let it sit. Let that rice soak up that veggie stock. Alright, more stock now. Stir it. You want that rice to be sticking to the bottom. You want that tasty brown charred yummy rice. Okay, heat another pan, pop in some butter, some prawns, garlic. Look at them cooking. I love it how they change color. Look at the orange. Wow. Okay, more wine. Add that white wine. Yeah, pour it in. Lots of wine. Okay, let that sit. More stock. Stir it. Parsley from the garden, of course. Chop it up finely. Some lemon. Squeeze. Oh yeah, cook. Add that finely chopped parsley now. Chili flakes. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Yum, yum, yum. Stir that through. Oh, now that. Oh, look at that. Smells so good. What's it called? Ceviche. Add the peas. I could have added the peas before. There's some salt on there. Yep. Ooh, more stock. Yum, yum. This smells incredible. Stir that through. Lid back on and let it sit and soak it up. Now add that Parmesan. Stir it through. Oh, look at that. All that's cooked in that pan. Add it to the rice mix. Pop it in. Oh, this smells so good. I'm not even kidding. Stir it through. I just want to put my face in it. More salt, Parmesan, stir, and sprinkle some of that garden parsley. Enjoy. Yum.